Black and white photography transcends the ordinary, transforming scenes into a blend of contrasts, textures, and shapes. It strips the subject down to its essence, presenting a timeless perspective that color cannot replicate. Hello everyone, welcome to week 11 of our 52-week smartphone photography project. This week, we're diving into the timeless art of black and white photography with your smartphone. Black and white images can draw attention to details often overlooked. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use light to your advantage, how to pick a good subject, and use your smartphone to edit for black and white. Before you dive into the editing process, you'll need to learn what makes a good black and white photo. To start, it's all about contrast. This is where the interplay between light and shadow becomes the story of your image. If you're outside, bright sunlight or an overcast sky can greatly influence the outcome of your black and white photograph. An overcast day, for example, provides softer, more diffused light. It's perfect for capturing subtle details without worrying about the harsh shadows or highlights. It might not be offering the same level of contrast as a sunny day would. On the flip side, indoor lighting also plays a vital role in black and white photography. Warm light bulbs can add depth to your image, while fluorescent lights can create a cool, stark contrast. Shadows become more pronounced, highlighting textures and shapes. But be careful of mixed lighting, as it can lead to uneven tones. In the end, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. All types of lighting have their own charm in black and white photography. The best advice is to experiment and see what works best for your subject and the mood you want to convey in your image. Choosing the right subject for black and white is critical. Some subjects, like colorful flowers, may lose their vibrancy without any color, but subjects with strong shapes, patterns, or textures can really create some striking contrasting images. You'll want to consider the emotional tone that you're trying to set as well. For example, scenes of old buildings or bustling city streets often carry a nostalgic or timeless quality in black and white photography. Likewise, portraiture can reveal a depth of emotion and character that color photography sometimes masks. It's all dependent on the scene that you're trying to convey to your audience. Most smartphones come with built-in editing tools that can help apply a black and white filter to your images. On most devices, you can access the built-in editing features through the Gallery app. If you're using a more advanced app, such as Adobe Lightroom, adjusting the individual color channels can significantly impact your black and white image. For example, increasing or decreasing the luminosity of the red channel can help brighten something like a red car. If you reduce it, it will darken it. This can create a dramatic contrast depending on what you're trying to convey. You want to experiment with these settings until you find the desired effect you want for your image. And that's a wrap for week 11. In this lesson, we've explored how to understand light and shadows, choose the right subjects for your black and white images, and use editing tools to create stunning black and white images on your smartphone. This week, we want you to show us your black and white creations using only your smartphone. We want you to step outside of your comfort zone and experiment. Until next week, happy shooting.